there's something that you should never, ever, ever, ever tell to a client. And unfortunately, most people do this, especially on Fiverr or something. And it goes something like this, like, hey, client, I'm an ambitious new copywriter and I'd like to work for you. I can help you with anything you want. So on the surface, this might seem like it's good to say because you're being, I don't know, respectful and like inferior and everything like that or something. But in reality, it doesn't work at all because like clients, they are not really looking for generalists. They don't want someone who helps them with anything they need. They want a specialist who can help them solve a specific problem. So instead of it, here's what to say. And I'm going to give you examples here in a minute. So I'm a specialization who helps client avatar get number one benefit by your unique mechanism. So what does this mean in reality? So for example, instead of saying, I want to help you with anything or everything, you say, I'm an email copywriter who helps coaches and consultants get more coaching clients from their email list by writing story-based email campaigns. So in that case, if you were to say this to someone like a coach who's looking for emails, like, do you think this would work? Probably yes. Also, like, I'm a Facebook ads copywriter who helps online course creators get more customers with high converting ad campaigns. Again, like, what's your specialization? Facebook ads? Who do you help? Online course creators? What do you help them with? Get more customers. And how do you help them with high converting ad campaigns? And then finally, like, I'm a video script writer who helps YouTubers get more views and likes on their videos by writing engaging video scripts. So that's, again, a good example. And I'm just going to drink a little bit of water here today. Just a second here. So hope this makes sense to you guys. Leave a comment if it does, because notice anything specific about these examples. Well, email copywriter, Facebook ads copywriter, video script copywriter, they're all written by specialists. So they're not generalists, they're specialists. And the reason why I'm talking about this is that what clients actually want from you, from freelancers, is that they want specialists who can help them do certain specific stuff. Like, nobody ever says to me, like, even I sometimes hire people, or like I've been hired many times before. I talk to a lot of business owners who hire people, and it's like nobody ever says, hey, Csaba, do you know a generalist copywriter? But they're always saying, like, do you know a good email copywriter? Do you know a good Facebook ad copywriter? Do you know a good sales page copywriter? Okay, that's what they want because they have specific problems that they need fixed. And think of it like this. So if you were to have, God forbid, a brain tumor or something, would you go to a general practitioner or would you go to a brain surgeon? Probably a brain surgeon. And because of that, like, it's the reason why specialists get paid way more than generalists. They're also respected more and they're viewed as experts. And plus, you can also learn all the things that makes you a specialist way more quickly than if you were to learn everything, like every single type of copy there is. It's hard, but if you, let's say, start specializing in email copywriting, then within a month or something, you can get pretty good at it. Obviously not world class. You have to like put in 10,000 hours with any skill for that, but like you can get good enough, and especially good enough for most companies. So I would suggest that if you're interested in this, you definitely focus on what I call money skills. And these are stuff like email copywriting, which every company needs. Like whenever someone, like think about it, if you bought something online, you get welcome emails, you get thank you emails, you get reminder emails, you get reminder emails to join this training, for example. I sent you a few, and those had content. So as you can see, good email copywriting isn't about like, hey, urgent, just join now, but it's about being helpful to people and giving them genuine content as well, and then obviously giving them a choice to do something. For Facebook ads or YouTube ads are also super popular because, you know, there's a bunch of Facebook ads when you're scrolling Facebook. I'm sure you've noticed them, and they're all written by copywriters, and companies need them. Also, they need to write like blog posts and landing pages and advertorials. And these are things that basically people on the internet, on Google, can read so that they, let's say, subscribe to an email list or something. Then upsells, when someone buys something, in some cases, there's the opportunity for them to buy more after they bought something. And if you can go to a company and say, I can double the value that your customers leave with you, that they pay more to you, then that's definitely something very valuable to your potential client. And also sales pages, it's one of my favorites. And I'm actually doing a 90-day, I'm hand copying certain parts of sales pages, and then I'm posting daily videos on my YouTube channels about this. This is way more advanced stuff than what I'm talking about here, but I really enjoy them. And this is high risk, high reward type of copywriting. So I don't really recommend it in the beginning, but just know that sales pages are also one of the great money skills. So actually, this realization helped me go from being a specialist, helped me go from being a low-paid copywriter for some time to becoming a high-paid copywriter, earning over $10,000 a month in 2 years, because I specialized in email copywriting in the beginning. Now I have several specializations, but I started with that, and clients really appreciated it. So based on that, let's just revisit the 5 steps that I mentioned here based on this specialization mindset. So if you were to define a new reality for yourself with this specialization in mind, let's say you want to become an email copywriter, and then you say, okay, so my new reality is that I'm going to learn how to write story-based email campaigns that turn subscribers into customers. Then when you go out to understand the basics of copywriting, then you're going to focus specifically on email copywriting. When you want to find clients to hire you, you're going to look for clients who are looking for email services specifically. And then when you're pitching them, you're also not pitching them general stuff, but you're saying, hey, this is how I can help you, and I specialize in emails, so that's why you should hire me. And yeah, if you do this, you're going to become much more successful much more quickly.